welcome back to my channel. So today it's going to be a dainty jewelry haul. If you are into like these really dainty neck pieces which you see on most of the Instagram influencers, so you would really enjoy this video. So yeah, if you're interested, please keep on watching. I saw a lot of this trend of these small hoops, yeah, medium size hoops going on right now. So I wanted to get my hands on these, and I got these. This was a pack of 3, right? I got this from Forever 21, and this was for 349. So considering you get like 3 hoops for 349, I believe it's pretty decent. So this has 3 patterns. This is a very plain basic pattern. The second one has got some texture, as you can see. It has a little bit of texture on it, and the last one has a more prominent texture. So it is really pretty, not very out there, at the same time, goes with most of your outfits. So I think I really like these. Next are these really beautiful, like, they have these like small studs hoops. Now as you can see, a few of these stud pieces are missing. Like isko touch karo na to hi wo गिर जाता है. So I thought I would probably get a glue and try to fix it. So the next thing is this is a necklace that I got from Forever 21. No, this is not from Forever 21. This is from Amazon. Yeah, I got this from Amazon, and ये necklaces का ये जो scene रहता है ना, that you have to detangle them every single time, and it's just so time consuming. I just hate it. So this is a very beautiful like neck piece. I got it from Amazon, and it was for about like 230 rupees. Again, I don't know the exact prices, so I will leave it on the screen. This is a very pretty golden necklace. First of all, at first when I saw this, I was really contemplating if I really need to buy this, because मेरे को gold के tone से थोड़ा issues है. Like I need the gold to be a little subtle and not like that chatak वाला gold, like in your eyes वाला gold. So I wanted to be like a थोड़ा subtle वाला gold, and this is exactly like that. It's very beautiful, and it's really like good quality, and I really like it. So I have no complaints with this. So I really love how basic and minimalistic this one is, and then how you have this really chain wala cool vibe, and then you have this locket. So all in all, it looks really good. This can go with any such outfits. It can go with t-shirts, it can go with your casual days. So yeah, when you're not feeling that very girly, you could wear this. Next is another choker that I got, seashell wala golden this thing, and then it has this shows I don't know. So this is how it looks. It's very, very beautiful, and this again I got it from Amazon. The previous one I believe I got it from a brand called Jewels Galaxy. This I got from a brand I believe called Jaipur Box or something like that. I will leave it on the screen, and it will also be in the description box. So all of these items, if I'm able to find all of these items, I'll be linking it down in the description box. Next piece is another one from Jewels Galaxy. This is also a pretty piece, थोड़ा long है ये. It's also a multi-layer necklace. This is how the necklace looks like. Actually, this had this very cute leaf वाला एक pendant था, जो है मेरे पास अभी भी. But the only thing is, as you can see, I have that here. But the only thing is वो निकल गया, so I'll put it on later. But this is how it looks like. इधर वो leaf वाला pendant was supposed to be there. Then the second one is this beautiful design. I don't know what is it supposed to mean. And then we have this beautiful cowrie, and then these. So this is how it looks like. It's really beautiful. Again, the gold is muted, not really chatak, and again this goes for somewhere around 200 rupees. So I think for that it's pretty good and pretty decent. Now the next, let's come to the one that I'm wearing. This is the one that I'm wearing. I hope you all are able to see it. I'll just get you a little closer. So this is the one that I'm wearing. It's a very minimalistic, beautiful like necklace. I got this from Forever 21 again, and I have been in love with this ever since, because it will look good with, you know, a lot of your girly outfits, and also even if you're wearing a denim like this, it'll still look good. So it's very versatile and very comfortable, and I absolutely love it. Next one is, again, I need to show this one first to you guys because it really deserves the attention. Okay, so this is such a beautiful piece. Like, I don't even know if you can see how pretty this is. Like this, क्या बोलता है इसे? Daisy बोलता है, sunflower नहीं बोलता ना, daisy बोलता है ना, I believe, yeah. So this is a very beautiful necklace. It's such a dainty piece again, and like, I know normally you wouldn't wear something like this on normal, but if you, you know, it will not be very versatile. But if you're just wearing a tank top, like a basic black tank top or a basic white tank top, or like even basic, you know, white tops or black tops which doesn't have a lot of pattern going on, this would look absolutely beautiful. And the moment I saw it, I was like, I'm not going to get something like this anywhere else, so might as well get it. As you see, it's so beautiful and so pretty and so like feminine. Now we're on to the last one, and this is another one of my favorites. Like, and the other one also I got it from Forever 21, by the way. And look at how gorgeous this is. So the first layer of this has these very beautiful, like, you know, circular discs, right? And then the second layer has this very beautiful rhinestones, and the third layer has this hexagon wala, like, you know, discs. So it's like very dainty, very beautiful, and it can really, you know, lift an outfit, and it can just look so good even on t-shirts, even on your tops, and even on dresses. It's just such a dreamy vibe. Like, this is very pretty again, very feminine, very girly. So yeah, that is all for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you like any of these, comment down below and let me know, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.